Gear Speed Hub is your go-to destination for in-depth reviews of the latest vehicles, including cutting-edge advancements in aviation. Today, we take an exclusive look at the highly anticipated 2026 Boeing 777X, a next-generation wide-body aircraft designed to redefine long-haul air travel with enhanced efficiency, comfort, and advanced technology. The Boeing 777X represents the latest evolution of the iconic 777 series, featuring a larger and more aerodynamically refined structure. One of its most striking innovations is its folding wingtips, allowing for greater wingspan efficiency during flight while maintaining compatibility with existing airport gates. The wings, made from advanced composite materials, are designed to enhance fuel efficiency and reduce drag, contributing to overall cost savings for airlines in a lower carbon footprint. Powering the 777X is the world's largest and most powerful commercial jet engine, the GE9X. This advanced turbofan engine provides increased thrust, improved fuel economy, and reduced emissions, making the aircraft one of the most efficient long-haul planes in the world. With a range of approximately 8,700 nautical miles, the 777X is built to handle ultra-long-haul routes with ease, connecting major cities across the globe without the need for layovers. Inside the cabin, Boeing has prioritized passenger comfort with an enhanced interior inspired by the luxurious Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Wider cabins, larger windows, and improved lighting systems create a more spacious and relaxing atmosphere. The 777X introduces a quieter cabin experience with advanced noise reduction technology, ensuring a smoother and more enjoyable journey. Airlines can configure the seating layout to maximize comfort, with premium economy and business class sections featuring fully lie-flat seats and private suites with direct aisle access. Technology plays a crucial role in the 777X, with a state-of-the-art flight deck featuring the latest avionics and digital displays. The aircraft incorporates advanced fly-by-wire controls, improved aerodynamics, and upgraded safety systems to enhance pilot efficiency and overall flight stability. Passengers can enjoy cutting-edge in-flight entertainment, high-speed Wi-Fi, and improved air filtration systems for a more comfortable and healthier travel experience. Safety is a top priority, and Boeing has equipped the 777X with the latest advancements in aviation technology. Enhanced flight control systems, real-time monitoring, and reinforced structural integrity ensure maximum reliability. The aircraft undergoes rigorous testing and meets the highest international safety standards, making it one of the safest planes in the skies. With its combination of performance, innovation, and passenger-focused design, the 2026 Boeing 777X is set to redefine the future of air travel. Airlines worldwide are eagerly integrating this aircraft into their fleets, offering travelers a superior experience with improved efficiency and sustainability. For more detailed reviews on the latest advancements in aviation and automobiles, make sure to subscribe to Gear Speed